Guys, this is Redefine Craft and I'm back again with some more Valentine's Day DIY. So, today for the first DIY, we are going to make a Valentine's Day icy tree. It's a very easy and fun DIY, and you all need some glue gun, glue sticks, branches, glass bowl, oil, sparkle, and scissors to make this. So start by putting the glass bowl upside down and oiling it. Now make any design on the glass bowl with the hot glue. The wider the glass bowl, wider will be your tree. While the hot glue is still hot, sprinkle sparkle over it. Cover the whole glass bowl with the hot glue likewise and let it dry. After that, it will be easily removable from the bowl. Now the next step is to take the branches and cut the thickest piece of the branch for your tree's trunk. Place it in the center and stick it to the glue bowl. Now cut out thinner pieces of branches which will act as the branches of your tree. Cut these at a slight angle and attach one end to the trunk and other to the bowl. Spread them across the whole circumference of the bowl. Pour some glue on the branches and the trunk for an icy effect. Finally, place the tree on a level surface and apply glue around it to make it stand. Cutting the end of the trunk into bristles and spreading them helps to make it stand better. Make sure that the stand doesn't wobble. Finally, take a sheet of paper and cut it into strips. Now, you can write any message you like I love you or I miss you, and fold it. Give it the shape of a folder and stick red hearts to close it. Stick it to a thread and cover the thread with some paper for a neat look. Now hang these and your Valentine's Day icy tree is ready. to make a secret proposal shell. It's a very quick and unique DIY. For this, you will need some walnut shells, a glass bottle, and some craft sheets. So, firstly, you have to crack open the walnut shell very carefully. Try to break them into perfect halves and remove the walnut from inside. Now, for the interesting part, write messages on small pieces of paper. Next, you have to roll them up and place them inside the shell. Now, all you need to do is glue them up. Make sure to do this as neatly as you can. For some other variations, you can also add a tag or hide a bracelet or ring small enough to fit in. You can also use a half-open shell. Now arrange these in a small bottle and fill up with some crushed walnut shells. You can also add some tiny hearts. Now all you have to do is ask your Valentine to crack them up and reveal what you have been wanting to tell. Make sure you place the love notes on the top and the proposal message at the bottom for the final reveal. This could be a fun game that will surely be a surprise of a lifetime. I hope you try this DIY, and if you like it, please comment below. Please like this video and give it a thumbs up, and have fun DIYing.